In this video we are going to learn about operator precedence, the rules Python follows to decide which calculation to do first when there are several operators in one expression. When you write an expression with more than one operator, Python does not just read left to right. It checks which operators have higher priority and does those first, just like in maths class. Think of it like a theme park with VIP queues. Multiplication is a VIP. It jumps ahead of addition every time. So 2 plus 3 times 4 gives 14, not 20. The highest priority operator in Python is the double star, meaning to the power of. So in 2 plus 3 to the power of 2, Python calculates 3 squared first, giving 9, then adds 2 for a total of 11. Next in line are multiplication and division. In 10 minus 4 times 2, Python multiplies 4 times 2 first to get 8, then subtracts that from 10, giving 2. Addition and subtraction come after that, then comparison operators like greater than, and finally the logical operators and or not, which have the very lowest priority of all. Let us run it. 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 prints 11. 10 minus 4 times 2 prints 2. 5 plus 3 is greater than 6 prints true. And true or false and false prints true, because the AND is evaluated before the OR. Compare 2 plus 3 times 4, which is 14 by default, against wrapping 2 plus 3 in parentheses first, which gives 20. Parentheses override every other rule and make your intention obvious to anyone reading your code. Remember the priority ladder: exponentiation at the top, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction, then comparisons, then logical operators. And whenever you are unsure, wrap things in parentheses. It costs nothing and prevents bugs.